This video didn't find you by accident. What if, right now, a new opportunity is opening up for you? What if there is a way to increase your income dramatically without even leaving your home? Imagine the doors that will open if you had complete control over your time and your life. What dream would you make a reality first? In this video, I will share my personal experience and my favorite trading strategy. Plus, I will introduce you an effective system that has consistently brought me impressive results throughout my career. This could be your turning point. My name is Nathan, I'm 31 years old, and I've been studying trading for the past 8 years. Last year, I was named one of the Yahoo Finance's top 10 most successful private traders in Europe. I traveled the world, sharing my experience and teaching my trading system at exclusive events. Maybe this system will be your key to stepping confidently into the world of trading. And this isn't just talking. This is the essence of 8 years of experience condensed into an actionable plan. How can you start trading even with zero experience? You're in the right place. Watch this video until the end. I will show you exactly how my favorite system works in real time and explain the key principles that will help you to get started fast, even if you are a complete beginner. Everything is simple, no complicated schemes. Ready to take the first step? Then keep watching. Your first step begins inside my trading community, where all practice turns into confidence. Over 21,000 people have already joined. People who decided to take a deeper dive into trading and level up their financial skills. And they are already seeing real results. Just last week, Mike, a community member for 4 months, brought a brand new car thanks to his trading profits. And Mia, who's been in the community for a year, finally fulfilled her dreams. She purchased an apartment in New York City. How does it work? Daily live sessions where I trade in real time and explain every decision step by step. You follow along, learn key concepts, and improve your skills one step at a time. It's like a recipe. You follow it, and soon you start understanding the market. No complicated terms, no overwhelming analysis, no dry theory, just pure practical experience in an easy-to-follow format. But here's something important. Right now, access to my community is completely free. I personally work with every new member, so spots are limited. Don't wait. Click the link in the description or pinned comment. Join us and then come back to continue watching. Switching to the most important part of the video. I'm moving to trading. The platform is open and the amount I'm starting with is set. Now let's select the currency pairs I'll be working with. Perfect. Now let's configure an important indicator. Today I'll be using MACD. This indicator shows the difference between two moving averages of price on the chart. The MACD is based on trade analysis and helps traders determine when to open or to close trades. Let's set up the indicator. Adjust the line brightness and size. All settings are done. Now we can start. Looking at the chart. Let's stop at the New Zealand dollar and Australian dollar. I see that the price was in downtrend and then reversed. This is the first approach to a resistance level after the trend shift. Usually, when the price fails to break resistance, it pulls back downward, often leading to consolidation, where the price moves sideways near a level without a clear direction. In this situation, I'm going for a sell, expecting the price to bounce off the resistance and continues downward. Great start, everyone. Let's keep going. Checking the next setup. I see a rejection from a strong resistance level. This level has repeatedly stopped the price before, and during previous rejections, the indicator signaled a reversal. So I'm entering a sell trade, expecting the price to fail at the level again and move down. Awesome. We've secured a solid 20. Let's continue. Moving to the next pair. Setting 20. Looking at the chart. Alright, we're going up. I've spotted an impulse candle that broke the level and closed above it. The indicator is pointing up, confirming a potential trend continuation. I expect the price to keep rising. Let's watch how it plays out. Perfect. My technical analysis was spot on. Let's move on. Checking the chart. Let's stop here. Everything is clear. No hesitation, I'm entering a sell trade. The price was moving downward, then consolidated briefly before breaking lower. During this consolidation, local levels formed. When I saw a bearish engulfing candle, I decided to enter a trade, expecting the breakout of this local level and further downward movement. The indicator also confirms a bearish continuation, so this trade should go well. Excellent. No doubts here. This is my proven strategy and I trust it completely. Let's keep going. Impressed by the results? This is just the beginning. Imagine you are in control of your time, working from anywhere, doing something you genuinely enjoy. Trading isn't just a job, it is a tool for financial freedom. Inside my trading community, we don't waste time on boring theory. It's all about real practice. Every day I go live, analyze trades, break them down and show how decisions are made. It's not just about copying trades. It's about understanding the process. I used to be in your position, watching, learning, analyzing. Now I'm ready to pass my experience on to you. One mentor helped me years ago, and maybe today you are standing at the same turning point. Why should you join us right now? The community is still free, but as more people join, it gets harder to personal guide each new trader. If you truly want to learn trading, don't put it off. Click the link in the description or pinned comment and join now. I'll be waiting for you inside. Let's move forward together. I see a consolidation near a level on this pair. The price is gradually pressing against the level, which increases the likelihood of breaking out to the upside. In this situation, I'm buying, expecting the price to break the level and continue moving upward. Good, let's keep up the pace. Let's see what we have here. The price returned to a broken level for a retest. Once a level is broken, it turns into support. Now, after the retest, the price is starting to rise again. This is a great setup for an upward move, so I expect the uptrend to continue. This is my kind of trade. Let's go further. Here, we're gaining altitude again. A local level was previously broken downward and the price returned for a retest. However, instead of bouncing lower, the price started to press against the level and closed above it. This signals that the market is preparing for further upward movement for a more global level. The price has successfully retested and started to rise, confirming my decision to enter a buy trade. Fantastic! We've already reached 501 and now we're moving into bigger numbers. I like this. Stopping at this pair. Everything is clear. Selling, because the price has reached a strong level around 0.63 and bounced off it. This confirms that the level is acting as resistance and there is a high probability that the price will continue downward from this point. Let's see how it plays out. Great. Now, this is the kind of result I like. Moving forward. What do we have here? Earlier, there was a false breakout downward, which often leads to a reversal and movement into opposite direction. This pattern signals a high probability of the uptrend continuing. Taking actions now. Alright, everyone, it's time for the final trade. And as always, I will set the maximum value to achieve the result I want. So, what do we see? There is a strong level around 96,000 that the price has tested multiple times but failed to break. Additionally, there is a trend line that the price has repeatedly tested. The indicator suggests that downward momentum is weakening. The histogram bars are getting smaller and then they reversed. The MACD lines are also pointing upward, confirming signs of a reversal. Everything signals an upward movement, so I'm entering a buy trade to ride the trend. Excellent! Look at the results we've achieved. My strategy has once again proven its effectiveness. How do you feel about the results? I think they turned out pretty well. But now I have an important question for you. What are you going to do next? You've just seen how my system works and everything is real and straightforward. Now the key thing to understand is why you need to act right now. While you're thinking and weighing all the pros and cons, others are already taking steps to change their lives for the better. Why not to be one of them? All it takes is a decision. You can keep postponing or finding excuses, but remember, every minute counts. Instead of sitting back and waiting, you can become part of my trading community, where I trade live in real time, showing every step and making it accessible to you. You won't be alone. I'll be there to guide you at every stage. And any questions you have, I'm ready to discuss and help you find solutions. I want to give quality attention to every member of my community. Spots are filling up quickly, so don't miss your chance. Click the link in the description or pinned comment right now. Sign up and become part of our community. See you inside.